everybody, Henry's Trains here and welcome back to another video. Today you join me at the wondrous and glamorous Epsom station. Although we're not actually going to be filming it today, I'm starting my journey here. We're going to be going to Clapham Junction. We're taking the 49, is it? No, it's the 1119 to Waterloo. Obviously we're going to be getting off at Clapham. That's where we're going to be filming the 200 subscriber special. So thank you everyone very much for 200 subscribers. Today's going to be a great video and it's pretty cold right now, so I'm going to stop filming and we'll see you all at Clapham. Right, hello everybody, Henry's Trains back and we have made it to Clapham Junction. As you can see, it is extremely busy today as, well, Clapham Junction is just always busy, isn't it? But it is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to you all. I do hope everyone has a very lovely Christmas. But yeah, I'm going to be spending about just under an hour here. Obviously that is plenty of time to see everything we want to see. Here is 377 213 and this will be heading off to Reigate. So that's going via Redhill, I think. And there's 377 209 down there, 377, I'm not sure what that one is. We have a pair of 450s, we've got 450 082 and 070 there. Looks like they will be passing straight through off to Portsmouth Harbour, and on over there I don't know what that one is, and 377 209 is leaving. This is going off to London Victoria. And also arriving in here we have 701 050 forming service to London Waterloo. Right, so as I forgot to mention before, we're here at Clapham Junction. This is on the Southwestern Main Line and also the Brighton Main Line, which is served by 377s from Southern and also Gatwick Express. It is also on the West London Line, and as you can see over there in the very distance we have a Class 378 from London Overground. They go to the West London Line, goes to places such as, or no, it just goes up to Watford Junction and Willesden Junction, onto the West Coast Main Line, and around Shepherd's Bush. So that's kind of the three main lines I would say that serve the station. Also on platforms, I think it's platform 6 to 4, that if you board trains there, you will be heading off down to Barnes and the Putney area. So yeah, you'll be seeing services from mainly South Western Railway and Southern, and also London Overground. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll be seeing any freight today, as Clapham Junction is not really renowned for its amazing variety of freight. However, there are some, as you probably have seen in my previous videos. However, it's just not extremely common. So yeah, let's see what should arrive and depart here at Clapham Junction. And arriving in now we have 701 030 with a service to Shepperton. This has originated from London Waterloo. And departing off over there is a London Overground 378. Oh look! Wow, that caught me off guard. Let's just zoom in a bit. There is 73963. And just as I said there would be no freight, we have a light loco move, which I did not expect. Let's just see what's that again. There it goes. So that's good. Right, here is a 377. That is 377 040. And departing off to Waterloo is 701 037. And also arriving in here, we're going to have 377 444. This will be forming a service to London Victoria. So here arrives in 450-097 and 450-111, whilst 377-444 departs down there, and they are heading to Hampton Court, I think. And also arrived in is 701-012, which will be going, of course, to London Waterloo. It's quite a, I could probably get quite a nice picture of that, to be fair. It is freezing today, and my hands are already getting extremely cold, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to film, but hopefully we'll get some decent footage for you guys. And here we have a 444 double set passing through. So that is 444, 006 and 029. I'm guessing that's come from either Portsmouth Harbour or Bournemouth or Weymouth, somewhere like that. Just arriving in here is 377-157, and also it's going to be the 1226 South Western Railway service to Chessington South, and you have 450-118 on the rear of that, and pulling in over there is 450-451, not 450, sorry, 377-451, I'm getting confused. And also 377-144 on the rear of that, and that's heading off to London Bridge, which is rather interesting. And also, if we come across here, about to pass through, or is it stopping? I reckon this is passing through. This is 159-017. And 159-006, and here we are 450-112 pulling in, and over there is a double set of 458s, and I have no clue where they're going off to. And getting ready to pass through now is going to be a Gatwick Express service. This is originated from London Victoria, and here it comes. So it's 387-220 and 387-225, and that is heading off to Eastbourne as 450-012 and 450, let's just see, so that's 450-014, head off to Woking. So they are both arriving in there very nicely. Right, it is suddenly stopped being windy. It's probably going to start being windy again. Anyway, as you can see, there's 701-056, and I have come down to platforms 5 and 6, which is the other side of Clapham Junction, to give you guys a bit of a different view. As you can see, that's where I was before over there. And yeah, so we'll be seeing more overground services and yeah, just a little different perspective of the station for the next half of this video. And departing now with 701-056 with a service to London Waterloo. And passing through, we have double pair of 450s. This is 450-07, not so, sorry, 007, sorry. And there goes a pair of 387s, I believe. Yep. off to London Victoria probably. And if we come over here, terminating in, we're going to have 378208. And this is a London Overground service. As I said, this is terminating in. I'm not too sure where from, but hey ho. And there that comes in. Lovely. And we have another 387 terminating in. This time this is 387229. And passing through. That is 444020 and 444037 off to London Waterloo. And yeah, this is coming in. And in the very distance I see the 701, which we'll film in a sec. So, arriving in now, we're going to have 701020. And this is going to be doing the round trip to Waterloo, from Waterloo, which takes quite a long time, I think. Anyway, there that arrives in. And also leaving is 701052 with another service off to Waterloo, but going the opposite direction. And there that goes. And passing through. We have 444028 and 444106, I think, and there's 450103. And terminating in is 378057. As the rear unit on that is 450077. You probably can't see much there because of the sun. I'll go back to the London Overground. And there that terminates in. Lovely, and it's wow, magically stopped being very windy again, and it's probably going to start being windy again very soon. Anyway, departing off to London Waterloo is a pair of 450s. So it's 450-100 and 450-121. Trains moving currently at Clapham Junction. So we're going to have 450095. And I'm not too sure where that has come from, but there we are. And on the rear of that is 450078. Looking wonderful in the sun. And passing there is 701059. Off to Waterloo, as usual. And we have a 377 pairing over there. I think that's 147 on the rear, I can tell what's on the front. And also over here we have 458417 arriving in for Waterloo. And also, we're going to have 458 423. And that is paired with 458 422 on the rear, and I'm not actually sure where that's going because it doesn't say on the dashboard. And just past behind it was and arriving in down there, you probably can't quite see that, is a 158 pairing, and a 377 leaving and departing there, and we are a 450 pairing there, and that is probably going to leave very soon. On this note of a very busy Clapham and lots of trains going on, I'm going to have to finish this video here, mainly due to my hands being freezing and my phone on a bit of a low percentage, and I have to catch my train onwards from a platform over there very shortly. So as that leaves, I will say thank you very much for watching my 200 subscriber special at Clapham Junction. Once again, thank you so much everyone for 200 subscribers, it means a lot. Sorry the videos have not been very consistent recently, I'll try to get back on track. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to put a like, yeah, and comment if you want to comment, subscribe for similar videos like this, and until the next one, see you guys later, and bye for now.